In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your contacts using Google Contacts and Google Drive. Understanding how to back up and import your contacts is essential for keeping your information organized and accessible across all your devices. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident every step of the way. First, open up your Google Contacts. The easiest way to do this is by going to the URL contacts.google.com on your web browser. The interface might look a little overwhelming at first if you haven't used it before, but don't worry. All we need to focus on right now is how to export your contacts as a backup. You'll begin by tapping on the Fix and Manage option, which you'll typically find on the left sidebar. Alternatively, you can access the export feature through Settings and then select Export. This action will create a vCard file with a Byte VCF extension. This vCard file serves as a backup of all your contacts, ensuring that if anything ever happens to your Google account, you'll have a saved version of your important contact information. Once you have your vCard file ready and saved securely to your device, you'll be ready for the next part: importing contacts. Head back to Google Contacts. This time, look for the option labeled Import Contacts. It's usually right next to the Export option or within the Fix and Manage menu. Here, you'll upload the vCard file you previously created. Simply locate the file on your device, select it, and upload it into your Google account. Once you complete this step, your contacts will be imported. The beauty of using Google for managing your contacts is that once your contacts are imported, they automatically sync across all platforms connected to your Google account. This means your contacts will be available not only in Google Contacts, but also in Google Drive, Gmail, and on any Android devices linked to your account. It's a seamless integration that saves you time and offers peace of mind knowing your contacts are consistently updated wherever you log in. Before we wrap up, remember that regular backups are a great practice. Even though Google provides robust cloud storage solutions, keeping an offline backup like the vCard file we created can be beneficial in emergencies. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to manage your Google Contacts efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check in for more helpful tech guides.